COVID-19 in Contagion movie. Contagion was written by Scott Z. Burns and directed by Steven Soderbergh about a global pandemic in which the battle against a deadly virus draws out the best and the worst in human beings. He continues to measure the depths with this absorbing drama about a deadly virus that spreads like wildfire around the world despite the valiant efforts of governments, medical institutions, and heroic individuals. Steven Soderbergh has been capable of identifying the current critical global pandemic situation 9 years ago from the Contagion film. How this can be wonderful. But he was. This has been realistic today for all of us, being a medical thriller film illustrating the rapid spread of a virus, inspired by pandemics. This is exactly the same situation we have come across today. I think Contagion is the film you can watch to get the exact idea of COVID-19 and to know how rapidly it spreads and bring us death. The story begins with the woman Beth Emhoff, who returns from a business trip in Hong Kong. She showed symptoms of cough and finally collapsed with seizures. Although her husband Mitch Emhoff took her into the hospital, she was dead. His son Clark also had died when he was back to the home. Eventually the virus spreads over the public worldwide and spread into thousands and finally millions. Same as today. Doctors were able to find the origin of the virus eventually. Finally a vaccine was found to halt the situation. Contagion clearly shows you how easily this virus spread worldwide and critical it is. Movie concerns the spread of a virus transmitted by fomites, attempts by medical researchers and public health officials to identify and contain the disease, the loss of social order in a pandemic. Contagion follows the rapid progress of a lethal airborne virus that kills within days. As the fast-moving epidemic grows, the worldwide medical community races to find a cure and control the panic that spreads faster than the virus itself. At the same time, ordinary people struggle to survive in a society coming apart. Its ensemble cast includes Marion Cotillard as Dr. Leonora Arantes, an epidemiologist with the World Health Organization, Matt Damon as Mitch Emhoff, Lawrence Fishburne as Dr. Ellis Cheever, Jude Law as Alan Crumweed, Gwyneth Paltrow as Beth Emhoff, and Kate Winslet as Dr. Aaron Mears, an epidemic intelligence service officer. Steven Soderbergh was motivated to make an ultra-realistic film about the public health and scientific response to a pandemic. 21. The movie touches on a variety of themes, including the factors which drive mass panic and collapse of social order, the scientific process for characterizing and containing a novel pathogen, balancing personal motives against professional responsibilities and ethics in the face of an existential threat, the limitations and consequences of public health responses, and the pervasiveness of interpersonal connections which can serve as vectors to spread disease. Contagion give the message of rapid spread of virus. This film is applicable to the current situation under the COVID-19. This film will be a key to identify the weakness on the side of public health sectors and individuals to overcome the current situation. Coronavirus disease spreads primarily through contact with an infected person when they cough or sneeze. It also spreads when a person touches a surface or object that has the virus on it, then touches their eyes, nose, or mouth. Steven Soderbergh had filmed all these situations clearly. Please stay at your home and follow the proper sanitizing. I invite all of you to check this film to get a proper idea of COVID-19, while you are staying at home to secure everyone's life.